I have a Milwaukee stapler, and I have a stapler that has two sides, then a single, just a brad nailer. So I wanted to try it if I can do it through. So just loaded the staples just to see if it will work. Just see, this is a stapler loaded. So it's working. Now let me put the staples. Alright, staple in. Now let me get this inside. Alright, just took it out. Let's put this one in. Let's close it. Alright, so it's in. Now let's get this one. Let's try it. It's in. It works. 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 So, stapler can work as a brad nailer. So I can just return whatever I bought. So as you see, narrow crown staple can be used as nailer and stapler.